Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before, and today what we're going to do is we're going to play with the Dose of Colors FRIENDCATION palette with Desi and Katie. And I know this palette has been out for a little bit, but I didn't buy it when it first came out, and I found it, caught it on sale for like $22, so I picked it up, and I'm super excited to maybe do something with this shade down here. So that's what we're going to do today, is see if we can't form a look around that shade and make something really pretty. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses and put a little bit of Milani eye primer on. So I really appreciate everybody that said super nice things in the comments. I really appreciate it. I feel a lot better today. So it was just a bad day yesterday, and I appreciate you guys cheering me up. It made me feel a lot better to get your comments and hear that I'm not alone in this world and that y'all understand and care. So, alright, I'm not going to try to figure out which one is named what on the back because I always mess it up. I'm going to go in with this medium brown shade, and I'm going to put that in my crease. So today my daughter had therapy, and we went to therapy, and they're still, I don't know if they're still, I think they're still making them wear masks in therapy, and then unless you're the patient or if you're seeing the therapist, because one time she had to talk to us, or one of her parents, and we could go in there, but otherwise you have to stay in the car. You can't be in the building. Alright, I'm going to take this deep brown chocolatey color, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my eye. But, so after therapy, we all went over to my in-laws' house and ate some tacos, burritos, and just visit with them for a little bit. Alright, I'm going to take this dark, I guess it's a dark navy shimmer shade, and I'm going to put that on the inner half of my lid. Alright, change of plan, because that's like a black, so I'm going to put this blue on the inner half of my lid. I'm using a cotton round with some micellar water to clean up any of my lines or any fallout. Alright, I'm taking the NYX Professional Makeup Pore Filler Primer. And I'm going to dot that on my face real quick. Oh, so I never finished my story. I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Foundation, and I'm in shade 111 Light. And I'm going to dot that on my face as well. Taking the Sigma Multitasker F47 brush to blend that out. So after we ate, we hung out for a little bit. And then I just talked and caught up because we hadn't really seen them in a while. But then my niece, you can probably hear her and my daughter in the background running around talking, even though they probably need to be getting ready for bed. But she came to spend the night. She lives with my in-laws, so we like to let her come over and spend the night whenever we can so that she can be around children, not be just cooped up with my in-laws all the time. I'm taking the Meet Your Hue Dose of Colors Concealer. But yeah, my niece and my 7-year-old, they get along really well. Dot it under my eyes. That's who you probably hear. Which she's a lot older. My youngest daughter's 7. Blended out with the concealer brush. And my niece is 13. About to be well, she'll be 14 in January. But she just kind of is really, really sweet with my 7-year-old daughter. Kind of takes care of her and plays with her and pretty much spoils her rotten, gives her whatever she wants, lets her do whatever she wants when she's there, for the most part. I don't know when she's here, because sometimes like over the summer or Christmas break or something like that, we'll let her come down and spend like a week or a couple weeks or whatever. And sometimes that's a little too long. They start getting a little bickerish, but normally they're really, really good together. I'm going with my tried and true number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light. And I'm putting that on my under eyes to set them real quick. And if you hear other weird noises, that's the cat running around. Alright, for my bronzer, I'm taking the Milani Sunlight Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. I'm going to use that to put a little color on my face. I'm going under my chin and now down my neck. Taking the Essence blush in 40 Beloved. And I'm using that to put some color on my cheeks. I'm trying to be better about going in with just a little bit at first, because there's been a couple of times that, whew, I've had to blend and blend to get that blended in. I'm taking the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Smoke and Whistles. And I'm putting that on the high points of my cheeks. First with my cheekbones. Oh, I just went down the nose. Sorry, I got a little dazed. Went over the eyebrows, down the nose, now the Cupid's bow. And the chin. Alright, first I'm taking this chocolatey brown color. I'm going to put that in the first like third of my lower lash line. Now I'm taking that same shimmer shade and I'm going to put it the rest of the way underneath my lash line. I'm going to put on some Essence Lash Princess real quick. Alright, I'm taking the Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick, the Creme lipstick in Blushing Nude. I'm going to try this lip combination. We'll see how it works. And I really like this color. And now I'm taking the Milani Keep It Full in 01 Champagne. And I'm going to top that lipstick with this. And I'm taking the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. My little mini bottle. And I'm going to spray my face. Alright, well this is the final look using the FRIENDCATION palette by Desi and Katie and Dose of Colors. I'm really digging this palette. I'm glad I picked it up. I know I heard a lot of good things about it before I picked it up. A lot of reviews from some of my favorite YouTubers just here and there. I just heard about this palette and really was excited about it. And when I saw it on sale, I was really excited about it. I just wanted to try it out and see what kind of look we could come up with, especially with this blue shade. It is gorgeous. I don't wear blue a whole lot, but this shade is just beautiful. Like, it just went straight on the eye, no problem, just super gorgeous. It looks good with the browns. Like, it just looks really good and I'm super excited. Oh, I was gonna talk to you guys about a giveaway because I had hit 50 subscribers, but somebody unsubscribed, so I'm back to 49. So we'll have to wait a little bit longer for the giveaway. I know it's disappointing. I was kind of disappointed as well, but it is what it is. So we'll just have to wait a little bit longer. But if you know somebody that loves makeup like we do, loves playing with makeup, just having fun with makeup, share the video with them or tell them about it, because I think they would enjoy my channel. And that way maybe we can hit 50 subscribers and do our giveaway, because I'm kind of excited about it. But I think that's going to be all for me. I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys and kind of play with some makeup a little bit, tell you guys how thankful I am for y'all being so sweet to me, and tell you that I'm okay. And so I think that's going to be all. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that will be all for me. I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.